Hi, this is Miss Hannah from the Campbell County Public Library System. I want to share with you some of the really fun things that you can do during our Spring Break Art 2021. So we have some fun programs going on this week. You need to register through Eventbrite if you'd like to attend those. And then we're doing Outside the Lines Spring Break Art Kits. So these are going to be found in our outdoor cabinets at any of our 4 library branches. You can find those locations on the website. And you can go while supplies last and pick up one of these kits. I have one here to show you. So this is what they're going to look like. You can take this home and create some really fun art. And I'm going to kind of show you some of the neat things that you might be able to do with this in just a minute. Once you make a really cool art project with it, you can actually submit a picture of that piece of artwork to us through our email account, and then we'll put that up on our digital art display website. So once you do that, it's up for patrons and people in the community to be able to see your artwork, which is really exciting, and that'll all be digital. And there's also a chance that you could win a prize to Imagination Station, who is wonderful in Forest. And so if you would like to have a chance to win that prize, go ahead and grab one of these fun art kits from our outdoor cabinets and create a neat, original, fun project. April 5th through April 9th, we will have these kits available for pickup. So let's see what is inside. A lot of these materials are donated materials or recycled, upcycled things. So let's dig in and see what my kit that I picked up has.
There's a straw with some washi tape on it that I can use. A piece of egg carton. I've got a crayon, copy tape. I've got some foam pieces and cut out pieces of paper.
I have a Beanstack code word. So if you go onto our website, campbellcountypubliclibraries.org/beanstack, it will tell you more about that program. But if you enter this code word into Beanstack, you have a chance to win another gift card. And then I have a sheet of paper that has some ideas to help get me started if I'm not sure what to make with my kit. And it has a special project that you can make if you want. You don't have to, but you should have all the materials in your kit to make this animal portrait project. All right, I think I'm ready to create. So one of these suggestions on our little list is make a piece of art that represents you, someone you know well, or your community. So something that I love and our community loves, and especially the library loves, is reading. So I'm gonna see if I can make something that represents reading. Hang tight. So the project that you just saw me quickly make is one of many things that you could do with the materials that come in your art kit. I only used one staple that was not a part of the kit, and you do get bonus points towards winning if you only use materials that you find in your kit. And trust me, there is plenty in there. So be creative, have fun, try some different things that you haven't tried with art before, and see where it takes you. We cannot wait to see the pictures of what you create. Make sure that you send those pictures to us in an email so that we can display them in our online art exhibit. Thanks for watching.